Hey everybody, this is Drew with Drew and Crew. Today we're out here at Carhenge. If you're wondering what Carhenge is, well, everybody's heard of Stonehenge, and this is Nebraska's redneck version of that. So we're about 3 miles north of Alliance, which is in the panhandle of Nebraska. And yeah, I just got a new little toy. I got the DJI Mavic Air, and I kind of wanted to show that off, test it out, see what it can all do. So I thought we'd come out here and give you a little glimpse of western Nebraska, check out Carhenge. So welcome to Carhenge. Hey guys, that was a little glimpse of Carhenge. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. And we'll be posting weekly, so don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever we have the next video posted up. We'll catch you again.